Hi students. As we begin to explore conic sections, we're going to ask you to work through parts of this GeoGebra book. So you can see that this has all of the conic sections, and we're going to assign this to you via Google Classroom or links in your notes. So the first one is this one, the circle equation center 0, 0, and you'll have a Google assignment for it, a Google Classroom assignment. Be sure to follow the directions. So this one says for the questions below, zoom out if you need to, but also it has this applet that we can play with. And so I see that I have a pink circle here, and you're not going to hurt anything by playing. So try and drag things around, see what happens. This looks like it's making my circle bigger and smaller. And so I can go back to the 4 here. There's another point here, this X. It looks like I can drag it around. And then down here, I've got something that says slide me. And so I'm going to take this point and I'm going to slide it. And I see that it's drawing an X value out to the point where my X coordinate is of that, the X value of that point. And now the Y. And then it's drawing in the hypotenuse and telling me the length. Well, let's go back and keep playing. So I can see that no matter where I move this point, that I've always got an X distance, a Y distance, and that consistent radius, which we know for a circle. If I make my circle bigger or smaller, I can see that everything's changing, and I could zoom in and out by using my touchpad if I need to. Now I'm going to keep scrolling down, and I see that I've got some questions down here. So with this one, type your answers in here, and when I click here, I can type my equation or whatever I'm writing to answer this question. And then at the end, when you have this, you're going to have the option to submit this back to Google Classroom. So please do that. And then down here, you can see that there's also a video of a silent demo for this. So some of these other sheets that you're going to have are not going to have spaces for you to type your answers. So you're going to play with this, and you've got the reset option, you've got things that you can move around again. So again, you're not going to break it. Feel free to play. If you feel like you have broken it, just refresh it and you'll get back to where you want to be. And now these questions are going to be in the Google Doc that's part of your assignment. So you'll answer these same questions and type them up in the Google Doc and submit it to us on Google Classroom. As we work through the rest of this unit, feel free to come back to this to have a way to visually explore what we're talking about in our notes. Let us know if you have any questions, put it in the question document, or reach out to us. As always, we're happy to help you.